This video will show you how to copy your contract deliverables from Excel and paste them into UniPhi. First, select the project you are working on. Then go into the Contracts module. You can create a new contract by pressing the yellow plus icon. But I have a blank contract ready, so I will click on that. You can press the download icon to save a blank Excel template of our contract structure, so you can ensure your spreadsheet is in the correct format. When you have your data ready, press the Upload button. Go into your spreadsheet and copy the data, including the heading row. Paste it into the box on our import screen. Use the drop-down lists to map the columns so that UniPhi knows where the data needs to go. Press the Validate button. This allows the system to review your data to ensure it will import smoothly. If there are any errors, you can fix it up before importing. If the validation is successful, press the green Save icon to import the deliverables. You can press the X icon to exit the import screen. The same process can be done for contract variations. Scroll down to the Variations table and press the Upload button. Copy your variations from Excel and paste them into UniPhi. Press the Validate icon. In this case, there has been an error. Any cells that are causing the error will be highlighted in red. You can hover your cursor over the red cells to identify the problem. Here, the account code in my spreadsheet doesn't exist in UniPhi. To fix this, I can either add a new code to my chart of accounts, or I can change the code in my spreadsheet. Once the data is fixed, press the arrow icon. This clears the data that is currently pasted in the import box so that I can paste the updated information. After validating again, press Save and exit the screen. You have now successfully imported your contract deliverables and variations. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.